Let's talk about custom values in high level. You're basically going to get there a little bit differently. This is kind of the beginning dashboard. You're going to click settings and you're going to go to custom values. There's also custom fields. So understand there's a big difference. Custom fields are more for when you're uploading a list. Custom values are more for when you're sending something out. That's not a concrete answer, but that's a basic answer, right? So what happens here is we've got an area here for a logo, to put a logo in, to put your LinkedIn profile if you want, your email address, your Facebook page, your name or the manager's name who was ever representing the company, booking page. You get the idea. I think there's also over here room for info for your referral program, phone number. Make sure you click next and look at all these, but fill in as many of these as you can. If you don't have them filled out, you'll know by doing one of the test emails. But let me show you why this is important and how this is going to be great for helping all of your information, being able to get sent out. So whenever we're going to pull up a list, by the way, this is a fake list. If Google needs to know that, YouTube needs to know that. They took down one of my videos because they thought I was giving out client information. This is not, even more so, this is not real information. But let's go to the email, click OK. So what's going to happen is we've already got all these templates done. This is a Thanksgiving one right here that you can go in and you can change the subject line and decide who you're going to want to have it be from. But you can also come in here and change whatever you want. Here, you can change any of the text, read over everything, the picture. But what happens is you don't want to put in your phone number and all your information every single time. You can just put it in once as a custom value. So here's an example of where that shows up. So this is the custom value of your logo with code, right? And if you go here, you can tell, or where were we here? There is a custom value. I'd have to find it again, but there's a custom value of logo with code. So when we go and we put that in right here, let's see. Well, how do you go and change it? Edit custom value. You're going to actually put the logo in right here. Then that logo is actually going to show up. So here we're at a client's site. We're going to copy the image address. You might have to upload this somewhere else if you don't actually have one on your site, but you have to have it kind of uploaded to a cloud somewhere, I believe, to be able to be a custom value. But the value is here. The logo without code. We're not going to put it in a folder, and we're just going to update it. Right. So now you've actually got that to be able to show up in the email. Now the thing is, don't get alarmed because here you're not actually going to see it. You're still going to just see the custom code. But when you do a test email, you're actually going to see it. So also there's room for all of these that you need to put in, like a special offer. And if you don't put a special offer in, that's fine. It'll just leave that blank. It's no big deal. So that's why that's kind of really neat. It'll put your phone number in, so you don't have to put your phone number in every time. It'll put your referral program in, so you don't have to put that in every time. And again, if you don't have one in, it just won't show up. Your booking page, you have a different booking page, your website link, your Facebook, your YouTube. If you want to add more even, you can add more, as far as that goes. You can change the picture, that type of thing. But that's why the custom values are so great, because you can pop those in and be able to not have to put them in individually. And it can show up in your text messages. It can show up even on your landing pages if you create one. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. But just wanted to make sure that you understood where that was and where all that was at. But fill in your Facebook page, fill in your email. If there's any questions, let me know. And kind of what's going to happen is whenever you go to get that set, you're just going to send a test email, and you'll be in that test email. You won't see code if you filled something in. You'll actually see whatever you put in for that custom email. So what I recommend that you do is put yourself in here, click yourself, send the email, select the email that you're going to want to send, and test it. Make sure that it looks good before you send it to all your prospects. Send it to yourself and make sure that it's what you want to send.